Okay, this week we have our first Taskstream assignment that you need to turn into Taskstream, so you need to purchase it in order to do it. So you'll read about the assignment, you'll make the Microsoft Word document for this learning styles assessment, put it somewhere, save it somewhere, and then you're going to go to Taskstream. And you should have enrolled in the class. If you haven't done that, you need to know how to do that. There is a video on exactly how to do that in the How Do I modules in Blackboard. So we're going to log into Blackboard, or Taskstream rather. This will not be in yours, but we're going to find, I'm going to blow this up a little bit. We're going to find your course. Now I have a bunch. You should probably only have one, maybe two. If you're in the college education, you might have a couple, but you're going to want to go to EME 2040 Sum 2014. You're going to click on that. And your first artifact, you have 3 artifacts that you need for this class: learning styles, teacher websites, and lesson plan. The first one is the learning styles, which you should have done, and you're ready to turn into Taskstream. So you simply click on that and you attach the document. Now, I have something in here that I did prior to this, and if I don't like something I've turned in, I can always delete it. In this case, I'm going to, if I turn in the wrong thing, I can hit Manage and delete it, and hit OK, then hit Save and Return, and it's going to, don't worry about this because we have not turned anything in yet. So right now I have a blank slate. So I have my learning styles. This is what you should see. You just click on attachments. You find the document you want. You're going to upload it from your computer. And you could either drag a file over into here, or you could just click Add File. And it's going to open up your computer dialog box. Mine's taking a second here, but there it is. And I find a document. We'll say this is your learning styles. I hit open and start uploading. And it takes just a second. Status says 100%. You got the check mark. You're ready to go. You upload and close. Okay, and you can see, although this is the learning styles document the way I want it, but this is what we have. And there's something there, and I hit Save and Return. And it's going to tell you, are you ready to submit your work? Now, guys, this is extremely important because you might think this is all you have to do. You actually have to submit the work. If you do not submit the work, I cannot see it. I cannot get access to your accounts to look to see that you've uploaded something. So you have to submit the work. I can't stress this enough. I have problems with this with students who say, yeah, I did my Taskstream, but they did not submit the work. Okay, so you have to do that. It tells you right here, this little thing here is saying don't forget to submit. And if it doesn't, it's going to say work in progress. When I get your report, it's going to say work in progress because you failed to submit the work. So submit the work. Hit submit. Yes, submit my work. And it even gives you a confirmation that you can print out for me or do a screenshot or whatever. You don't have to do that, but some people, like to have have these things backed up. You can print it, do a screenshot, whatever. So you'll see now learning styles action submitted 6/6/2014. You don't have a report yet done because I haven't evaluated it yet, but that stuff will be there for you if you want to look at it. But now I can look at this and give you the points you need for your submission. Now we will have 2 other ones This is the first one, learning styles. You'll have another one called teacher websites. Or if I use this video over again and I change it, you'll have another artifact too. You'll always have a lesson plan though, and that's going to be a separate submission deal, and I'll have another video on that. So this is not that hard to do. It's just you have to do it. That's the biggest, seems to be the biggest problems with some of my students. It's just actually doing it and doing it correctly. So rewatch the video if you need to. Most people have no problem with this, but again, some do. So I have to kind of go over and over and over it again. I apologize for that, but I have to make sure that you know how to do this and do it correctly. Okay, any problem or comments with this, email me, david.white@famu.edu. Thank you.